right, so when we're talking about moving a shape, it's kind of like what we did in our notes in the first part, right? We are starting with, where we start at and then where we are ending up. So that was all sorts of convoluted. That's my fault. All right, so if we are talking about 5, 4, and 1 unit to the right and 5 units up, 1 unit to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This would be where W prime is. That would be where W prime is. What I want you to know, right? Because I want to make sure that everybody is given some different ways of doing this, whatever works best in their brain. If you're the person that needs to graph it, here you go. If you're the person that can look at this and go, okay, I am at 5, 4. I need to take 5 and I want to go right, which means I'm going to add 1. I am at 4, meaning I need to add 5 to it because I'm going up. Then my new coordinates, right, would be 6, 9. If you did it this way using the graph, right, we can check ourselves. We are at 6, and then we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, both ways we are getting the same exact answer. Both ways we are getting the same exact answer. Keeping in mind that when we did it in our notes, right, we wrote it in the symbolic representation, whereas this just wants the final coordinates. Where are the new coordinates for W prime? Where is the new coordinate for W prime? All right, so think about this one. This one is at -3, -7. If we are going 8 units up, that means we're not going left and right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that means we are doing -3 plus or minus 0, it doesn't really matter. And then we are doing -7 plus 8. We are still, regardless, going to end up at -3, +1 for our C prime. All right, let's try moving a whole shape though. This is where it gets a little bit wonky, where it's like, wait, what? So if I'm talking about C, D, E, F, I'm talking about 6 units left and 9 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well, let me try that again because it's only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 9 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this right here would be my F prime. Then I'm going to do the same thing with E. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So do you see what I mean by, like, I don't like when the colors intersect, it hurts my brain? Like, this is what I'm talking about. When you get here, it kind of gets a little wonky, but it'll be fine. All right. Then we have, I'll do it in red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Sorry, I totally forgot to put my primes. And last but not least, our D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So again, you should be getting the same exact shape, the same exact size. It's just that it's moved. It's just that it's moved. Then they want us, oh Lord, to write the new coordinates. So we would be writing C prime, D prime, E prime, and F prime. So C is at 1, 3. D is at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. E is at 4